Presenting the 2003 Hyundai Elantra GLS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front disc rear drum brakes, power mirror, cassette, intermittent wipers, heated mirrors, power windows, power outlet, front reading lamps, and bucket seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.